Alright, so we're filming today. I'm gonna try to get these idler pulleys done pretty quick. Make it a real short and sweet video, show you guys what you need to do, and how to bang it out. I already got the Serp belt off, so if you don't know how to do that, look that up. But the Serpentine belt is off, and I got the new pulleys here. I'll show you guys those. I'll pull them out in a second. And yeah, but mine are wobbly, especially this one. So if you look at this belt right here, this pulley, excuse me, right here, it's got some movement in it. So I started making noise, and that's when I was like, all right, well, they all got to go. I just did the alternator a day ago. Didn't film it because it was a pain in the ass, but got to get that one, got to get the one down there, got to get the one over there. So we'll get these out, and we'll try to get it filmed. These are the part numbers you need. So you need 2 of these 011s, and then you need 1 of these with the 030. They're slightly different. I will get the printout and show you guys why they're slightly different. They're not cheap, but OEM has lasted me 240K, so we're going to keep OEM. So this is your lower, and then these are the other 2. But this is the lower, is 030, and then those are going to be the other 2, both 011. We got 1 in there. Got the other 2 in there.
I told you. You thought, didn't you?
And we're on, baby. In here.